Hello everyone and welcome to this short video on how to use the TradeView economic calendar, news and live TV. Firstly, the economic calendar can be found using this icon here. You can see it's color coordinated. Basically this is whether it's a high impact event, a medium impact event or a low impact event. So you can clearly see quite easily which news events you should be paying attention to. You also got the flag of the country which is associated with in particular. You can separate the calendar up into the previous week, the current week that I'm on now, today. Let's see what news events we've got coming out today and we'll go through another feature. For example, if we wanted to pay close attention to the initial jobless claims coming out of the United States, I can click on it using my mouse. It's going to give me a countdown timer to when that specific event is coming out. It's going to tell me what the forecast is and what the previous is. Now, if I wasn't really sure what initial jobless claims meant, I can use this arrow here. You're going to get a really good description on the event itself, what its meaning is, what impact it can have on the markets. You can also see in here there's a table showing previous results, and there's a chart here as well, graphically showing that the number has basically been increasing in this particular case for this event. So if you want to start learning a little bit more, obviously there's a lot of news events coming out every single day. If you want to know what the Philadelphia Fed employment is, then again you can go in here and it's going to tell you what in particular that event is going to be. Inside here you can set this timer like this, so then when you've got your economic calendar open, you've got a pretty clear indication as to when that news event is coming out. That's the economic calendar. Let me bring up the news section. Inside news you've got top, Asia, Europe, US, so it's separated into each region. Basically all the news articles filtering through from CNBC. For example, yesterday we had Jerome Powell explaining that the Fed is still a way off from altering policy, expects inflation to moderate. So all the news articles are formatted and you can read them quite dynamically inside the platform. You can move these boxes around, which is pretty cool. So this is where you can find all the latest news articles. Really good to be aware of from a fundamental perspective. And finally, we'll look at the live TV. Basically, the live TV is every Friday, 2 p.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time, and it's done with our traders on the desk. So from our trading desk, you see our screens being shared live. You can see a commentary from what's been going on in the week just gone, key markets, any volatility that we've been seeing, some of the trades that TradeView might have been picking up, but also importantly looking to the week ahead. Any volatility to be expected, any major events coming up and what that might mean for markets, key levels, key angles, key indicators that we might be looking for in that week ahead. So that's the TradeView Live TV, and that concludes this short video.